Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day here on this one with the gap down and then the increase in volume showing there was quite a bit of selling. But I will say that we have an interesting setup here now going into Friday. And I should note that this setup here is by no means some sort of like great discovery. I'm not trying to proclaim that I have some sort of special skill. I assure you people that use charts and understand charts are watching the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what we have going on here. So the first part of this pattern is the fact that, yeah, it gapped down, but after the gap down, the price just continued to drift higher and higher, which actually allowed for this nice little uptrending trend line. Now, I wish I could say trend was this easy. Just because there's an uptrending trend line does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to, explode to the upside. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's at least the rational, it's at least the logical thought to have that, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, the price is showing some signs of strength and that this could get a move to the upside, which brings about the very interesting level here and the level that I think a whole lot of breakout players are going to be watching right there around $4.95. Now, I'm not saying any of this is guaranteed, but again, my point here is that it's plausible. It's a rational thought to have that, you know what? If the price can get up to that area and break up through it, that break could very well create some good upside buying pressure. So keep your eye on that level. Like I said, it's not guaranteed to happen, but that's by no means some sort of random area on the chart or anything like that. It would make sense, and it's very possible. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that moving forward. But all in all, rough day today, sure, but it has created an interesting technical pattern headed into Friday. So let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.